Hi, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to solve a linear equation. In this equation we're going to be solving the problem 1 divided by 6 times x equals 3. Now to solve this equation in one step we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this fraction right here being multiplied to x. Now we can only use this method when there is only one fraction being multiplied to this x. Now you can solve this equation by separating it into individual steps and working it out one at a time, but what we're going to be doing today is just multiplying by the reciprocal. So first we're going to look at this equation right here. So we have 1 divided by 6x equals 3. Now for the reciprocal of this, it's going to be 6 divided by 1. So now we have 6 over 1 times 1 over 6x equals 3. To solve this, the left side over here, we're going to multiply this, and when we do that, both of the 6's are going to cancel out, and then both of the 1's are going to cancel out, making this whole fraction right here just disappear. But now that we have multiplied by the reciprocal on the left, we have to do the same on the right, and that's just a rule when solving equations. So now we have x equals 3 times 6 divided by 1. So now that we're left with just this equation, we want to get rid of this fraction so we can multiply to solve for x. Now when doing this, 6 divided by 1 is going to be 6, so we're just going to cancel out that 1, leaving us with x equals 3 times 6. So now we just solve this right here, easy multiplication, and that's going to give us x. So 3 times 6 is going to give us 18, so x is going to equal 18. That's all, and thank you for watching.